So now that we've simulated a full load, what we want to do is open up this tote. In about 60 seconds. You want to be able to separate all your envelopes and your plastic bags up there, okay? Up there with the yellow stickers facing one direction, and then the plastic bags to the left of them. Now it'll get kind of full, and you might even have to borrow the ground a little bit. That's okay. All your boxes should go on the floor right here with all the yellow stickers facing one direction. You get 60 seconds to unpack each tote.
Gotcha.
And that is baked into the route. So we take these boxes and we just start setting them on the ground, okay? Try to get the bigger ones on the bottom. Just make sure all the yellow stickers are facing one direction.
Huh?
Yep, good. And then we've got a couple. Yep.
Up here?
Yes, sir. All right, so now tuck this thing right here down in there. Now I usually like set it off to the side somewhere. I'm gonna put completed totes in there.
Gotcha.
So we go, I'm just gonna stick it over here for now. And this is where our completed totes are gonna go. Now when you got a full van, you're actually just tucking it in and probably sticking it on top,
gotcha.
Okay? All right, so we know we got a note here. Right when we said I've arrived, you'll see if I hit back and I hit I've parked. Okay, got that note right there? You can even see it beforehand. Please put in parcel locker on the left side of the garage if gate is closed. I've read and understood. Okay, now I've parked. Now what happens here is recorded. Okay, I've parked to swipe to finish. Whatever you do is recorded as a package and then submitted as a record of what happened during that delivery. Okay, so we want to make sure if we're unable to deliver, we follow contact compliance rules. Or everything that is associated with this delivery, we're doing it by the book. Okay, so I've read and understood, and then sort packages in stop order. It's telling us to sort the package. Now it wants us to scan the package. So if we scan the wrong one, it tells us wrong barcode, and we're looking for 006, right? It's right there. All right, now whenever you find your package, take it away from its friends. Okay. And if you have a multi-stop, set them on the ground and get them away before you scan them. Drivers will often scan the package, leave it there, and then when they go to grab it, they grab the wrong one.
Gotcha.
And go put that on the porch. So they got the scan, but how did they put the wrong package there, right? So make sure we're doing that right.
Okay.
So go ahead and open this up. All right, and we do have customers will often leave clues like this, and we want to follow any instructions that they give us, right? So I believe it's over here to the left. So we have a parcel locker. Now we know we need to get a good picture of this, right?
Yep.
But for deliveries, lift lid up and hold. So now that this is kind of tricky, huh? Because I have to get a picture of this. So probably the best course of action is to go like this, okay? Make sure your hand is not in the photo.
Yep.
And you want to back up just a smidgen. Just like that. Oh, I missed it. Oh, but there you go. Back up. Oh. I got an idea. Perfect. So you see that white square?
Yeah.
You want to try to get the package inside of there.
Okay.
So that way they can see that you're putting that in their delivery bin. The customer needs to see that image and know where the package is. Okay. So let's go ahead.
So you can't just, gotcha. So you got to get the whole surrounding, not the whole surrounding area, but
right.
Enough that you're familiar with it.
There we go. Now the package is securely delivered, and right where you swipe to finish, okay? Right where you swipe to finish is exactly where it's going to record that you delivered the package.
Gotcha.
So if you get back to your van and you didn't swipe to finish and then you swipe to finish, it's going to show you delivered it to the street.
Okay.
We don't want that, right?
Gotcha.
So let's go ahead and swipe to finish. We know. All right, enter the helper. It's not going to let us do that. It keeps doing that at every stop. Sorry.
That's all right.
And then we'll go to current stop. And then we'll just start. So just hit current stop every time.
Okay.
Current stop is like a reset.
Gotcha.
Or like a sort of like a synchronization, right? It's going to get the most accurate, up-to-date information.
Okay.
And then we'll hit start travel. And then now we're ready to go to our next stop.
Cool.
Now we're starting to get some problems here when we hit start travel. There's a little notification that pops up, right? So let's go back out and exit. Come on. Current stop. When I hit start travel, it'll say recalculating route. See that? That's starting to tell us that we don't have a good signal.
Okay.
So when this happens, we may need to disable the data if this phone starts acting up. But I've never really had to. Only in Clear Lake. All right, go ahead and hop up into the passenger seat.